Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook logging issue on your iPhones. So guys, many of you are complaining about whenever you try to log in your Facebook account, you are facing an issue of error. That you face unexpected error and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Facebook logging issue on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has reliable cellular data connection. Poor internet connectivity can sometimes prevent you from logging into Facebook. After this, then you have to do is update your Facebook app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your iPhone. You have to go to the App Store and search here Facebook. Go to search Facebook, tap on it, tap on Facebook, and if you see an available update for the Facebook app, simply tap on update and update it. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, scroll down and then tap on general, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reinstall your Facebook app. So guys, to do this you have to simply go to the Facebook app and then tap and hold on it. Now tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Facebook app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Facebook logging issues on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.